How to see all liked videos on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can see all your liked videos on YouTube. For that, open up the YouTube app. Now, the first and the easiest way is to tap on Library, which is at the bottom of your screen. Now, from here, you can find the option of playlists, and here if you tap on View All, you can find all of your liked videos by tapping on Liked Videos. So here you can find all the videos that you have liked. You can also find the number of videos that you have liked. So this is a very easy way on how you can check this out. Now the next way is to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on Settings. Now tap on Manage All History. From here, select the account. Now head over to Interactions. And here find the option of Video Likes and Dislikes. And over here, you can find all the videos that you have liked. Now here you can also find the videos that you have disliked as well. So that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.